My name is Aditya and I am pursuing my BTech from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College of Engineering, New Delhi. So before joining the Brain Mentors, I was trying to learn stack development from YouTube. But there are resources available, but the structured manner is not present in the resources, and I was unable to raise the doubt which I was having during the online learning. So I decided to join the Brain Mentors. The learning experience has been excellent, and the most I had enjoyed is the nature of the faculty is very good. They are very friendly and they teaches everything in detail, and like I understand everything and it's really good. So after joining, I am able to build website, and with further more practice I would be able to completely develop website, and that's a good progress. I would highly recommend this to others because as I said earlier, the teachers are really friendly, they explain everything in detail, and of course offline coaching is definitely better than online. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Rate Brain Mentors highly 9 because everything was good. I was able to understand everything, and yeah, I would rate it 9 out of 10.